Year 3. Happy Wednesday, halfway through the week. Today's our last lesson on shapes, or actually today we're looking at symmetry, which is part of shapes, and then tomorrow we'll be going on to angles. We've got 2 lessons of angles for Thursday and Friday. So let's get on with the lesson, symmetry. So here we have a butterfly. The wings on the butterfly match, and this is the same with every single butterfly out there. Every single wing will match the opposite wing on the same butterfly. Not necessarily different butterflies might have different wings, but every wing on one butterfly will be the same. When the butterfly flaps its wings together, the pattern on the wings match. The wings on the butterfly are symmetrical. They're symmetrical. They're the same on both sides. We call that symmetrical. A shape which can be divided into 2 parts is called symmetrical. So, the dividing line, which can divide one half from the other half, is called the line of symmetry. We can see that this half of the butterfly looks exactly the same as this half of the butterfly. Let's have a look at some more symmetrical things. This flower is symmetrical. You draw the line of symmetry all the way down the flower and the stem. You can see both sides are the same. This face is symmetrical. We draw a line down the middle of the face. Both sides are the same. However, if this clown face person put a flower in their hair, it's now not symmetrical because this side has a flower, but this side doesn't. If you put one on this side, it would be symmetrical. He is not symmetrical anymore. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can have a go at drawing a symmetrical face. You can even take a picture of it and put it onto my blog, or you could email it if you wanted to. Can you find any shapes that are symmetrical? Have a look around the house. Can you see anything or find anything that's symmetrical? Okay, so we have another butterfly here. What you can do on your program, remember, if you go to Geometry, Property of Shape and the Symmetry Lesson 2, Year 2 Symmetry Lesson, you can also do this lesson. And if we have a look here, we can colour it in exactly the same. So I'm going to colour this part in dark blue, and then I'm going to go to yellow, and then I can use, oh, there is no orange, so I'm going to use pink for these dots, and now we can see it looks exactly the same on both sides. They've told me it's symmetrical. So, shape sorting game. Now we're going to have a look at shapes. Sorry, I messed up my words. Yes, if the shape is symmetrical. No, if it's not. So let's have a look at these shapes. We've got a circle. Is that side the same as that side? Yes. Triangle. Is that side the same as that side? Yes. Nice and simple symmetry is. Is that side the same as that side? Nope. Yes. So I'm not going to do them all. You can carry on going through them if you want to on your computer. If you find it very easy, then you don't need to spend too much time on that game. But this is something that it would be nice if you did. Beat the clock. Okay? See how many you can answer in 2 minutes, and then you can put your mark out of 10 in my blog if you want to. So here is a pattern, but half of it is missing. Okay, the pink line is the line of symmetry. Okay, you could call it the fold line. If you folded a piece of paper in half, both sides would be exactly the same. Okay, so it could be the fold line, or it could be the line of symmetry. Now the program is going to show you the other side of the shape. We know it has to look exactly the same because that line is the line of symmetry. So we have one square at the top. Then we will have 2 squares being coloured in because there's 2 squares on this side, so there must be 2 squares on that side. And then we've got 1 square there, and guess what's going to happen to this one? 1 more square. You can see now they're both exactly the same. So just click on the squares to complete the pattern. So the pink line is the line of symmetry. So at the moment they're unsymmetrical. You can see that side does not look like that side, and that side does not look like that side. Let's make them look the same. So I can see here, this one is right by the line, and this one is right by the line. You can see here there's a white, then a blue. So I need white, blue, blue, white, white, blue, blue. Okay, remember you can have a go at your own as well. You can see all of these look exactly the same. Finally, you can have a go at the reflection game. A pattern you'll be given, okay, and you must use the line of symmetry to show the other one, just like you did a little bit then. That was a practice. This is the game. So you can have a look here. This one I can see is right by the pink line, so it must be here. This one I know it goes blue, white, white. So I must go white, blue, blue. White, white, blue, I mean, sorry. Okay, we can see it's the furthest blue away. Blue, white, white, blue, white, white. It's like a mirror image. Mirror image. We could call it a symmetrical. Okay, so one there and one there. Have a go as many as you want on your own lesson. Okay, I'm just going to finish there. Nice short lesson today. Nice and simple with symmetry. Looking forward to going on to angles tomorrow. I really enjoy angles work, so I hope you do too. Remember to log into your portal now and try your work, okay? And if you want to show me any nice symmetrical pictures, feel free to email them through to year3@bluecoatfederation.co.uk. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.